Hi, this is a quick instructional video about the warranty process with FlexiShield paint protection film. You're going to want to head to our website, FlexiShieldUSA.com, and then through there you're going to want to navigate to our warranty portion of the website. It's under services and you can click warranty, or you can just head there directly at FlexiShieldUSA.com/warranty. Here you'll find, very briefly, the terms for our warranty. It's 10 years for most of our products and 5 years for our matte paint protection film, as well as the conditions to which we cover defects and other such things like fading, color change, cracking, bubbling, or delamination. We also will be sending out instructions both to the installer as well as to the customer, detailing different instructions for each party going through the warranty process, taking you step by step through it. Again, you're going to have the terms on this document, as well as a nice little table detailing the different periods for our different products. So as you can see here, WSH Automotive and DPH are both a 10-year warranty. Matte is for 5 years. Our headlight film is a 2-year warranty, and our race wrap has a 1-year warranty. After that, you'll have the proper aftercare instructions that you'll need to tell to your customer. These can be found on the website as well, all the way down at the bottom. Just click on this little link, and right here you'll have this nice door hanger, which you should be getting if you've received product from us, and that will be given to the customer to tell them what to do after paint protection film has been installed on their car. What you'll need to fill out is the customer's name, email, telephone, their address, their city, state, and zip code, as well as their vehicle make, model, year, and VIN. And for the installer to fill out is what product you used, the roll number that you had when it was installed, your company name, as well as your email, so that both the customer and the installer can both get a copy of the warranty registration. You'll also need to look at these checkboxes down here below and select what areas were actually protected on the vehicle. Of course, front kit and full install, the most popular two instances of paint protection film installations, appear right up there at front. So you have easy access to clicking on those, and then of course you just click register, and like I said, both you, the installer, and the customer should both get a confirmation email that your warranty has been registered. Other than that, when a warranty has to be made, you'll see in this document that you do have to, the customer first has to contact the installer and let them know that they are claiming a defect and want their warranty to be executed here. It says that you should contact FlexiShield Paint Protection Film with the proof of purchase and the relevant complaint, and we here at FlexiShield will verify the validity of the customer's grievance. After that, FlexiShield will contact you to follow up on terms for the replacement film, as you see right here. And do note that labor costs are not included for reimbursement. And the only thing that needs to be done after that is that the defective film needs to be replaced with the new film provided by FlexiShield's. And that new film is under the same warranty, although it is also under the same period that the previous film was installed during. So if a warranty has been claimed after 3 years on a 10-year warranty, the new film now has a warranty of 7 years. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is down here in the footer of this document, or you can just go back online and navigate to Contact United States, and all of our information will be there as well. Thank you so much for watching.